The biggest challenge with food equity is that it's misunderstood. So the Center for a Livable Future did a study that said that 23% of Baltimore City residents are food insecure, and that translates to roughly 144,000 people. A healthy food priority area is an area where there's a lack of whole foods. Whole foods meaning whole grains, leafy green vegetables, fruits, things that dietitians and doctors the world over have acknowledged as being extraordinarily helpful towards good health. A popular term now is food apartheid, which is an attempt to acknowledge the systematic environmental factors that are pushing and pulling people into the behaviors that we describe as choices. So one of the things that I'll be working on as a Lawrence Fellow is a community of practice. And so this is going to be a 2-year journey that we're working with food policy councils around the issues of racial food equity. It's having the hard conversations about some entrenched ways of governing that have impacts to people with less power. And so we have to begin working with communities, with listening ears, and then advocate for policy to remove some of the barriers that would allow people to grow food or would allow corner stores to sell healthy foods. Long term, one of the potential solutions really is declustering of poverty. So my role has been to help design the program at large, but then also to help teach some of the sessions. And then also I'm working on the industrial food and agricultural production. So I'll be working with communities that live adjacent or proximal to animal production farms and helping them tackle some of the challenges that presents. Before I started my doctoral studies, I had passion, I had drive, but I didn't know how to do qualitative research. I didn't know how to do quantitative research. I didn't understand the complexities of it, the food landscape. The scholarships and the fellowships allowed me to go from thinking about these ideas and challenges to studying them, to working on them, and to implementing solutions.